Hello guys, Impulse here. Today we're going to go over how to use the Uniswap app, how to do swaps on it with native pairs, how to do swaps on it with pairs that don't show up in the native list, and also how to place limit orders on Uniswap. So let's get into it. First off, you're going to connect your wallet. We use Rabby, so we're going to choose the Rabby wallet. Going to click connect. Your wallet address will show up here. Then you'll be able to choose to what you want to swap your tokens. In our case, we have ETH in our wallet and we're going to swap it to a little bit of USDT. You can choose any other token in the list. Most basic pairs show up like Aave, like Link, like Ethena, and any other token. But you also want to make sure that you're swapping on ETH natively and not on Base, Optimism, Arbitrum. You can see so by looking at the small logo underneath it. If there's a small logo underneath, you're going to bridge to a different chain and the token will show up on a different chain. So you want to make sure you don't do that. So we selected native USDT. We're going to choose to swap that by clicking swap. I'm going to ask you to sign the transaction. I'm going to confirm that. And now you're swapping USDT. Now, if you want to swap another token, which isn't available in the list, we're going to do so by copying the token address. In this case, we're going to use TRWA. We can copy the token address by clicking this copy button and by going back to Uniswap. So let's say we want to buy some TRWA with the USDT we just swapped. You're just going to paste the address you just copied. You're going to choose USDT. Going to click maximum. Going to click swap. It says very high price impact. This means that there isn't a native USDT pool for TRWA. So what you want to do in this case is go back and choose ETH instead, because otherwise you will get slipped for a pretty large amount. And we're going to click swap again. It's going to give you a warning because we don't have a lot of ETH left. I'm going to click continue. I'm going to click swap again. I'm going to click sign and confirm. And now it's going to swap TRWA for you. If it asks you to sign multiple times, it does so because it needs to ask you if you want to spend a certain amount or certain token inside your wallet. So keep that in mind. Now, if you want to place limit orders, you need to place them with wrapped ETH or with the native token you're using. In this case, we're going to do so for TRWA. Let's say we want to sell TRWA when it hits 0.2 USDC unit. You're going to click however the amount you want to use. Going to click confirm. Here it'll allow you to choose the time you want to list it for, a day, a week, a month, a year. Going to confirm this for a week. Going to place the order. It's going to ask you to sign the transaction. You're going to click confirm. And now the limit order has been placed. If you want to remove the limit order, you're going to see this show up here, one open limit. You're going to click that. You're going to see here 643 TRWA will be exchanged for 12.8 USDC. You're going to mark this and you're going to click cancel limit. You're going to sign that transaction. And that's it. Your limit is canceled. That's pretty much all you need to know to use Uniswap. If you haven't signed up to the Discord yet, make sure to do so by the link down below or in our bio. As well as if you need any other help, feel free to leave a comment and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Bye bye.